As with all my videos, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please consult your financial advisor to associate the risks involved in any trading strategy. Today is Tuesday, January 3rd. Yesterday was Monday. Stock markets was closed in observation of the new year. So before I get started today at all, I'm going to go to the account. If we look at last month, I made a total of $278.49. So the credit cards will be coming due here soon. So I'm going to go to the account and transfer this into the checking account. So again, I started with $17,500, made a total of $278.49. So I did go ahead and transfer that total of $278.49. The transfer date is the 4th, so tomorrow. This will be transferred into the check-in, and from the check-in, I'll put this amount back on the credit cards. And you can see the total balance is $17,500. So right back where I started, what I deposited. So I'm going to come back later today after I do today's options. So happy new year, everyone. So looking into week 4 now, I'll jump over to that. So the Lyft and the Sony I did last week expired worthless. I did go ahead and do that transfer of $278.49. So this week I sold the Meta, the Facebook put. I received a total of $90.35, and I sold the DoorDash put and received a total of $58.35. So that $90.35 and $58.35 comes out to a total of $148.70. So for week 4, I have that total $148.70 for the current amount. So before I jump into this week, I did make payments on the credit card, so I just want to update the sheet on that. So this is the card ending in 9. There was a payment of $62 made with a new balance of $6,133. So I entered those totals right here: $62, $102.49, $73, and $41. So let's look into this week. So looking into this week, the Dash and the Meta both expired, and I sold the Lyft put and 2 Sony puts again, and I got a total of $13.35, $33.35, and $33.35. So I entered the $13.35 and the 2 $33.35s, came out to a total of $80.05. So I updated week 5 here, and I'll come back next week. Welcome back all. Today is Tuesday, January 17th. The market was closed yesterday on the 16th in observation of Martin Luther King Day. So let's jump into this week. Okay, last week those expired worthless. Did get $5.71 in interest. I'm not even going to worry about that. So I sold 2 Dash $51 puts for $60.69. And then I sold 1 Dash $52 put and got a total of $52.35. So looking at the 60, 69, and 52.35, made a total of $113.04 for this week. So I'll come back next week with the next update. Today is Monday, January 23rd. I'm going to go ahead and jump into this week. So all puts from last week did expire, and I sold 2 Sony puts, both $88. I got $78.35 and $68.35 today. So that was $78.35 and $68.35, a total of $146.70. So for this week, total $146.70.